Hi everyone, I am going to walk you through the basic steps for using PowerPoint to record audio, video, or both for your pre-recorded lecture delivery. So let's go. The first thing you're going to need to do is to ensure that you have Office 365. Many institutions today use this. If you're not sure, please check with your IT team. If you do have Office 365, you're going to want to then make sure that you're logged in and also that you have downloaded the very latest Office 365 apps. This is what is going to give you the plugin for PowerPoint that allows you to pre-record your lecture slides directly from your PowerPoint program. When you are logged in Office 365 in PowerPoint, you're going to see a little symbol up here that shows who you are and that you're logged in. You must be logged in to Office 365 in order for the extra features of that program to be shown in PowerPoint. If you are logged in, when you click on Slideshow, you are going to see Record Slideshow. This is terrific and a good sign that things are now going to go really well for you as you switch to online teaching. So you're going to click Record Slideshow, use the drop-down button, and choose Record from Beginning, presuming you're at the start. You're then going to see a full screen version like this of your PowerPoint slides. And before you get started, just head over here to Settings if you're using a microphone like I am, and just make sure that the microphone that's selected in PowerPoint is the one that you intend to use. In this case it is. Terrific. I'm going to keep going. So now I'm ready to record my lecture in PowerPoint, and all I need to do is click this bright red record button. I am not going to do that now because what will happen is my Screencast-O-Matic will fight with my PowerPoint and we will have no video. But if I were going to do that, I would go down here, I would click my camera so that my camera comes on, a little small video screen of myself would pop up here, and I'd click record, and this lovely record button very professionally would count down for me 3, 2, 1. And then I'm off and going and I can record my lecture online. So recording's pretty simple. Take it easy. This is the way to do it. If you're having any trouble at all, please do remember that you may need to turn off any other apps that are using the camera. And indeed, that's why I can't turn mine on in PowerPoint right now because I'm using it in Screencast-O-Matic. Here's another tip. Pace yourself. So one of the things that's really nice about this is when you press record, your stop button will turn into a pause button. This means that you can record one slide, press pause, take a breather if you need to, go to the next slide, press record. So if you're someone who really struggles a bit with speaking, particularly into this kind of cold, dark lens in front of you and without the warmth of your student audience, you can record slide by slide. And that takes me to my next point. Some of you may be interested in my one-take manifesto. If there is one thing I have learned over the past couple of months of recording online lectures, it is not to fall down the rabbit hole of the potential to self-judge, retake, remake. Do it once, do it as best as you can, and move on with your life. Okay, but if you really, really, really must retake, here's how you can do that. Okay, so in this particular slide, I have this video. Okay, so here I am. I've recorded this previously, and when you go into your slideshow, so press Escape, go out of the recording slideshow screen. That will take you back to your normal PowerPoint screen. You will see this lovely little video box, and I think to myself, oh my God, I really hate that. Even though I know I'm only supposed to take it once, I just can't do it. Click on this. Once it's selected, you can simply press delete, and that video on that slide is gone forever. You can then go back into your slideshow by choosing Record Slideshow. Use your drop-down button to choose Record from Current Slide. That's going to take you back to the slide where you've just deleted your video, and you can start over. So remember, pace yourself, really try and stick to the one-take manifesto. It is going to save you enormous amounts of time and pain, but if you really must retake, that's how you do it. The last thing I'd like to share with you today is a few tips on saving. Many of you will likely now need to upload your PowerPoint lecture slides with video embedded to an online learning management system or maybe a YouTube channel that you've started wherever. It is totally possible to save this as a normal PowerPoint, and your students will deck with the video embedded. I don't recommend that. What I recommend instead is go to File, and you can see here that you can compress the media. That's a really good thing to do to make the file size smaller. What I normally do is save as, and I save these PowerPoints with videos embedded as an MPEG-4 video, so a .mp4. Doing this compresses the entire PowerPoint and the video, and it turns it into a video file. What that means for your students is that when they receive the uploaded video, all they have to do is click play, and your lecture is going to play really smoothly and professionally in whatever video player they use. This is also terrific if you're uploading to YouTube, because this gives you your video file format that's really easy to upload. So that's it from me on my very simple quick start guide to recording your lectures in PowerPoint using the Office 365 plugin. I've got some other tips and hints, 7 steps to set yourself up for successful online recording, available on Online Teaching Basics. Check it out, and also check out the one-take manifesto. Free yourself from the tyranny of potential multiple recordings. Good luck. And remember, we're all in this together.